Guardian Minister for Mumbai City has written a letter to BMC chief asking him to look into the matter of a PSA plans because he feels that there is some kind of a match fixing between the BMC officials and the private company because a private company has got second time contract to install the PSA plants in Mumbai. Let's go across to Mr. Aslam Sheikh who's joined us. Mr. Sheikh, what exactly your allegation and on what basis you have made this allegation?
Any contractor or any supplier, if any investigation or if he is been blacklisted by any other state, the BMC or the government should avoid such supplier or contractor. That's a simple thing because he is being punished for the same reason. Now I got to know the same supplier is been trying to supply in Mumbai Mahanagarpalika, and the period which was given was as good as impossible. It could never happen. Now almost a month has been passed and the project should have been completed. So I will be taking a round within a day or two and will come to the fact, and such company which are blacklisted anywhere in the country shouldn't be given opportunity in anywhere in any state.
In your letter you have also said that this is the second time the same company, the private company, is getting a contract and they have already got one contract which they are yet to complete.
See, I think the officers somewhere are involved in this. I cannot put an allegation unless and up to the inquiry is initiated and the culprits have come out. That's why I written to the municipal commissioner that he should inquire about it with the vigilance department and try to find out why this guy was given the contract, and one contract was given, why he was allowed for the another contract also. So unless and up to the inquiry comes up, the fact comes up, we have to wait and watch.
But have you got any kind of response from the commissioner office, because you have directly written to the BMC commissioner? It's a very serious, you can say, issue which you have raised, because as you said, the same company has got contract earlier, they are yet to complete the contract, and now again they are getting contract for the PSA plant. So have you got any communication from the BMC chief office?
See, I'll tell you, it's a very big contract. If you go to see both the contracts, one is of somewhat 80 crores and another is of 320 crores. If you go to see almost 400 crores contract, we are supposed to give. I mean, the BMC is supposed to give. And as a guardian minister, I am the guardian minister of the Mumbai city. Anything complaints comes to me, I have to take the grievances. I have sent my letter to the municipal commissioner. Now he will initiate the particular inquiry and he will get back to me.
But was there any procedure followed? Because earlier we got to know that when the first contract was given to this private company, the BMC said that there was only one bidder, despite BMC floated the tender for more than one time, and only one bidder came, and that's why they had to give this contract to that particular company. But in this scenario, was the procedure followed? What is your opinion on that?
See, what I came to know according to the sources was that the tender conditions were such that like other contractor would have not been able to do it. The same thing I had put into my letter, and for that only I had told the municipal commissioner to examine, inquire and let it come from the fact, because definitely the officers, last time also had given a letter to the municipal commissioner, a lot of transfers had been done in Mahanagarpalika, because in Mumbai Mahanagarpalika our officers sitting in the same department for 7, 8 years. Now so many transfers have been happened. Now another transfers are going to happen in the month of October because pandemic was there. So one circular was there from the commissioner that since the pandemic is there, we need little time to adjust everybody. So I think so once this gets cleaned up, we'll come to know exactly and things will settle. Because right now, same officer sitting in the same department for years and years, then it becomes a modus operandi to get in touch with the contractor and do all these things. This has been happening in the municipality, and I am the one, since I was the municipal councillor as well as MLA, I was the one who removed the desilting fraud, and then the road also, if you remember. So this is also the complaint which I got. We'll go to the depth of it and we'll see to it whether any malpractice has been taken place.
Even Maharashtra CM had said that we have to be self-sufficient in the, we can say in the context of oxygen making, because in first wave and in the first of the second wave we saw that Maharashtra faced a lot of oxygen crisis, and that's why after meeting all the district collectors, Maharashtra CM had said that in every district there has to be PSA plants or the oxygen plants, so that we don't have to wait for other state to give us help. So in this context, if we see how crucial is the installing the PSA plant in Mumbai?
See, what parameter we used during COVID was appreciated by the state government, by the central government, as well as the ICMR and WHO. So we are in the verge of having our own oxygen plant and all. But simultaneously, we have to see that taxpayers' monies are not being wasted. It's not going into the drain. We are responsible to see that the taxpayers' money is also put in a proper way. While purchasing, you cannot buy anything and anything from anyone. We have to see that the quality is good. We have to see it has to go for a longer time and later it can be used. So everything has to be set accordingly. Just it is a need of an hour, so you keep on buying anything is not going to help the purpose. Tomorrow, if this pandemic gets over, we have to see where and which place we can install it back.
So there is another point. There is a criticism against the Mahavikas Aghadi is that the own minister, the guardian minister, that is you, is basically leveling allegation against the Shiv Sena who is running the BMC. So are there rifts within the Mahavikas Aghadi where you are basically questioning your own ally partner for awarding this contract?
Not at all. We are Mahavikas Aghadi and the chief minister, he himself is against the corruption. He has given instruction to all the ministers, wherever you find any corruption happening, just go against it. There is no question. I being a minister, I am writing it to the municipal, I am instructing him to conduct an inquiry. So that doesn't mean I am going against the Mahavikas Aghadi. Our chief minister doesn't want any corruption and we are going according to that.
That's what we heard from Mr. Aslam Sheikh, who clearly said that he has written it to the BMC commissioner and the BMC commissioner is yet to respond, but within 1 or 2 days he will get the clarity about this particular company and why this company got this contract, a huge contract for the second time. With camera person Mahesh Katkam, Mayuresh Kanpate for Mirror Now from Mumbai.